Are your woodworking projects not turning out as smooth and precise as you'd like? Tired of splintered edges and rough finishes? Well, you're in the right place. A great router bit set can completely transform your woodworking experience. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, carpenter, or professional woodworker, having the right router bits ensures clean, precise, and professional quality cuts. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 router bit sets that offer high performance, durability, and excellent precision. We've tested these router bits on various woods, including softwood, hardwood, Maryland F, and plywood. We'll make sure to watch till the end, because we'll reveal the router bit set that stands out as the ultimate winner. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews. And remember, all the product links are in the description and first comment, so you can grab the best deals right now. Let's jump in. Kowood Router Bits. If you're looking for a top quality router bit set, Kowood Router Bits should definitely be on your radar. These bits are known for their high durability and performance, making them a great choice for woodworkers of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Kowood offers a wide variety of bits, perfect for detailed trimming, shaping, and edge cutting. One of the standout features of this set is its tungsten carbide tips, which provide exceptional strength and wear resistance. Kowood's router bits are designed to give you smooth, clean cuts, and the variety of profiles makes it easy to tackle a range of woodworking tasks. The set also includes different sizes to meet all your project needs, from cabinet making to intricate wood carving. In short, Kowood router bits are a solid investment for anyone serious about their woodworking. Hiltex Router Bit Set. Next up, we have the Hiltex Router Bit Set, a fantastic option for those looking to combine value with performance. This 15-piece set comes with everything you need for a variety of woodworking tasks, from basic trimming to more advanced cutting. The Hiltex router bits are made from high-carbon steel, which gives them impressive strength and longevity. With their precision ground edges, you'll get smooth cuts that make finishing your wood projects a breeze. The set also comes in a sturdy storage case, making it easy to keep all your bits organized. The affordability of this set makes it a top contender for anyone on a budget, and its performance rivals more expensive sets on the market. If you're looking for an all-around solid choice that won't break the bank, the Hiltex Router Bit Set is a must-have. BINSTAK CNC Router Bits. For those of you who are into CNC woodworking, the BINSTAK CNC Router Bit Set is a game-changer. This set is designed specifically for precision, making it ideal for detailed and intricate work. Whether you're cutting wood, plastics, or even aluminum, these router bits are designed to stay sharp and deliver high-quality results. BINSTAK CNC router bits are made from premium carbide, ensuring long-lasting sharpness. They have a unique design that reduces friction and provides better chip removal, which leads to cleaner cuts and smoother finishes. If you're working on any CNC projects or need precise professional-grade router bits, BINSTAK is a brand you can trust. WSOOX Router Bit Set. Another great option for woodworkers is the WSOOX Router Bit Set. This set is packed with 15 different bits, so you'll have the right tool for virtually any job. The WSOOX router bits are made from high-speed steel, which ensures they remain sharp longer than other bits on the market. The cutting edges are ground with precision, making them perfect for tasks such as edge forming, trimming, and decorative cutting. The versatility of this set makes it a must-have for anyone who wants to add a professional touch to their woodworking. Whether you're working with softwoods or hardwoods, these bits will help you achieve clean, smooth cuts every time. If you're looking for a versatile set that offers both quality and performance, the WSOOX Router Bit Set is an excellent choice. FivePears Tungsten Carbide Router Bits. Last but certainly not least, we have the FivePears Tungsten Carbide Router Bits. These router bits are known for their strength and durability, making them a great option for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers alike. Made with tungsten carbide, they are engineered to withstand heavy use and maintain their sharpness for extended periods. This set includes a variety of bits, from straight bits to spiral bits, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. The FivePears bits are designed to provide smooth cuts, reduce chipping, and offer precision in every job. Whether you're building furniture, cabinetry, or just tackling a simple home improvement project, these bits will deliver the performance you need to get the job done right. And there you have it, a detailed review of the best router bits for wood. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned woodworker, each of these sets offers unique benefits that can take your woodworking to the next level. From the high durability of Kowood router bits to the precision of BINSTAK CNC Router Bits, these tools are designed to help you get smooth, professional results every time. If you're ready to enhance your craft, any of these router bit sets will be a fantastic addition to your toolkit. Don't forget to check the description box below for direct links to all the products mentioned in today's video. Also be sure to hit that first comment where I've included even more details and insights about these router bits, along with additional tips for choosing the perfect set for your needs. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth product guides like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know which router bit set you think is the best in the comments below. Do you have any personal experiences with these brands? Share your thoughts, and let's continue the conversation. And as always, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to share it with your fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more amazing tools to make your projects even better. Happy woodworking!